Luke Campbell.
He's retired already, right? Well, if he's not retired, he needs to retire. And if he's retired, he needs to stay retired.
Ryan Garcia!
Needs to put his hands up, and he's down!
I think he's good. I think he has skill, he has speed, power.
And he did. That was sensational for Ryan Garcia. Gervonta Tank Davis!
All-time great.
Went viral.
Shakur Stevenson.
I think with what he's proven so far, he's good.
To this fight, Dillon Danis has proven he can talk the talk better than maybe anyone ever.
Retired.
Logan Paul, hit him while he's down. And here we go, it's broken out to a brawl. Security stormed the ring.
Your winner by TKO, the problem child, Jake Paul.
I think Jake Paul is okay as a real boxer, but I think that he is, GOAT when it comes to the influencer boxing.
The most viewed internet star in the United States with a first round destruction.
Alexander
GOAT.
Momentum. We saw Usyk building up, and it's over just like that. Double keep.
Any predictions for his fight against Tyson Fury?
Oh, I think that's two GOATs going in the ring, battling out. I think it's great for boxing when it happens. I don't know. I can't pick a winner in that fight. I think it's a good fight.
Where do you rank Tyson Fury in the category?
GOAT for sure.
Vasily Lomachenko.
All-time great. I think he's always been good.
Just as he said, he was struggling to find the range.
I told you.
7 different weight classes, 7-time world champion, Amanda Serrano.
To the warrior that is Canelo Ramos, machines another left hand on the pipe, and that one hurt. She goes down.
I say she's a GOAT in the sport for sure.
The head opens up naturally because you start covering the body. Serrano just attacking upstairs, then going downstairs. That's what I wanted to see from her.
The Brave Bomber, KT Taylor.
Backs up the points down.
Sugar Ray Leonard, are you watching this?
A GOAT as well.
It's an accumulation of punches. Oh, it's a vicious combination. Just like that. Here is Katie Taylor again.
Jalisco, Mexico, Saul Canelo.
Alvarez. Tricky style.
GOAT for sure.
Is he counting or is it all over?
Oh, it's over.
all over.
It's over.
He knocked him out cold. Referee didn't want to bother the count. They want to get the doctor in there first. That was a right hand that finished him off.
From Karaganda, Kazakhstan, Triple G!
Hook and a right hand over the top.
All-time great.
Silva. Vicious, ruthless, dominant. The best middleweight in the world. You better believe it. There is no question.
If Triple G and Canelo ran it for, I believe, a 4th time, will the decision change?
No. I think it'll be the same outcome as the last fight.
That power, that speed.
He's retired already, right? Well, if he's not retired, he needs to retire. And if he's retired, he needs to stay retired.
We've seen the first couple of rounds. You see Campbell up on his toes. Garcia much more flat-footed. Seems like he wants to.
Oh, left hand sends the kid down.
Regis Rougarou Prograis.
I think he's good.
I was just throwing my hands, but boxing, he said, is a lot more than that. But there he goes! Prograis folds Surya up with the left hand.
WBC lightweight world champion, Devin the Dream Haney.
All-time great. Soon as he go.
This shot right here. Boom! Right on the chin. Out.